Hello guys, Neopatimes here. Welcome to a new video, and you can see I have all my Apple Watch bands here, and that is because we're adding a new one to the collection. And this is an Apple Watch band that I've wanted for the longest time. It's the Milanese Loop. So this was one of the original Apple Watch bands that was announced with the original Apple Watch back in 2015, and I've wanted it pretty much since then. So originally it was only released in silver, but then they released this space gray version and also a gold one, I believe. And yeah, this is the space gray one, which I think they announced it a year later, and it was also more expensive. So originally it was like $200, and the space gray one was like $225 or something like that. Then they matched the prices at $200, and then a few years later they dropped them to $100, and that's what they cost today. And that's kind of what I bought it for, but I'm in Thailand, so I bought it for the equivalent here, which is way cheaper. So yeah, if you happen to come to Thailand, definitely Apple Watch bands. It's something to look for because they're so much cheaper than in the US or UK or Spain or whatever. But yeah, we'll unbox it. So to open it, this is the 45mm version, of course, which will also suit 44mm Apple Watches and 42mm Apple Watches. And to open it, we just put it here. And well, this is officially called graphite, not matte black or space gray or whatever. But yeah, so let's see. Are you ready? Okay, Apple Watch. And so nice. Here it is. It is very, very nice. Let's take it off carefully. Ooh, I dropped this. I don't want to with the box. Nice. Ooh, it's heavy. It's a very hefty boy. But okay, what we'll do, of course, is to put it on. I mean, this I wouldn't use to wet. Apple Watch is wet because I just came from the swimming pool. I'm on holiday, so have to make some time for that. But yeah, so this is, I mean, it's designed specifically, I mean, not specifically, but mostly for the stainless steel Apple Watch, because that's how it matches, because it's also shiny. I show you more up close photos and videos, but of course it will work with any, and it would just not look as good. What I was saying is that this is a very, there's some more plastic here. But yeah, this is a very formal Apple Watch band, I would say. It's not something, I wouldn't wear it to sport. I don't think you're actually supposed to. But also, yeah, on a day-to-day, I wouldn't wear it. Just when I'm just more formal, like in a suit or like very, very formal. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's a bit loose, so I have to tighten it up a bit more. My wrist, by the way, it's very, very small. So if it fits me, which it does, you can be sure that it will fit yours. Just for reference, it's about 150mm, so if you measure yours, it's fine. But yeah, I love how it looks. It looks so nice and so premium. Like, yeah, very nice. Kind of reminds me of this Roman or like medieval armors that they had, were like, I don't know how to describe it, but basically like this. So I think it was steel or like iron in that time. It was like interlaced iron things. I think basically that's what it is, and this is what this watch band is. So very nice. Again, it doesn't exactly match, even though it's space gray as well. I mean, it matches, but of course the band is more shiny, whereas the aluminum Apple Watch is more matte. So do take that into account if that's something that bothers you. Doesn't bother me specifically. I thought it would be more noticeable, but it's really not. So yeah, this is the band. Very nice. So here you can see better. Very nice. I really like it, and it's also comfortable. It's definitely more hefty. No doubt, it's more heavier than any other sports band. But I really like it. I think it's very cool. What else do we have here? Guide on how to put it on, of course. So in general, it also happens with this one. So the one where the latches, so the thing that will run here, always goes on the bottom of the watch, unless you're left-handed and wear the watch upside down, so to say. So I don't really know how that works, but yeah, in here, yeah, we have this, the instructions, and that's pretty much it. Unlike the, oh, this is has something inside, I guess, to protect it. But yeah, unlike the Pride Apple Watch bands, you don't have any specific watch faces to go with it, so you can just use any basically. So we don't have the app clip here to add it. But yeah, very nice. Oof, this is nice. I love how it reflects light. So nice. Oh my god. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Do you have any questions about this band that I can maybe answer? Leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best. Also, if you like this video, please thumbs up, and if you loved it, it wouldn't be bad if you subscribe, especially if you usually love Apple videos, because that's exactly what I do. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.